Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable optimization for Windows games in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on System, then Display. Underneath Related Settings, click on Graphics. Now here click on Change Default Graphics Settings. Here is the option Optimizations for Windows games. Reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using Flip Presentation Model. You will need to restart your game for changes to take effect. So just guys, you have to turn on this setting. So this way you can turn on optimization for Windows game in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.